Ham is less stressful to prepare than many other roasted meats because most are sold already cooked, and they're usually smoked too, which adds succulent flavor. All you need to do is reheat and finish it off with a tasty glaze. How to pick the right size ham? Knowing what size ham to purchase is as easy as doing some quick math. For a bone-in ham, you should plan for a 1/2 pound per person, and for a boneless ham, 1/3 pound per person. So, if you're cooking for 8, pick up either a 4-pound bone-in ham or a 3-pound boneless ham. If you want leftovers, get a larger size. How to cook a bone-in ham? This recipe makes enough for a party or a family dinner with plenty left over, about 10 to 14 servings. Ingredients: 1 fully cooked bone-in ham, from 5 to 7 pounds. 1 cup packed brown sugar. 2 teaspoons prepared mustard. 1 to 2 tablespoons cider vinegar. Directions. Step 1. Score the ham. The first step in cooking ham perfectly for your holiday celebration is to score it. Use a sharp knife to slice 1/4 inch deep cuts in a diamond pattern across the ham. Scoring opens up the outer layer of the ham, allowing your glaze, that comes later, to really soak into the meat and give the ham more flavor. Step 2. Bake. Next, place the ham on a rack in a shallow roasting pan. Cover with foil and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 minutes or so, until a thermometer reads 130. Step 3. Glaze and finish the ham. While the ham bakes, prep your glaze. In a small bowl, combine the brown sugar, mustard and just enough vinegar to make a thick paste. When the ham reaches 130 inside, remove it from the oven. With a heat-proof spatula, spread the glaze over the ham. Be generous. Then finish baking, uncovered this time, for 15 to 30 more minutes. You want the ham to reach 140 inside. How long to cook a ham? When you're setting your timer, consider playing it safe with heating the ham for the lower amount of time first. When the timer goes off, check to see if the internal temperature has reached 140 degrees, and then add more time if necessary. How to carve a ham? Carving a ham can seem like tricky business, but with only one large bone to work around, you'll likely find that this is a much simpler process than slicing up your Thanksgiving turkey, or even that roast chicken you make for Sunday dinner. More tips for making the best ham. For the holidays, ordering from a local butcher shop rather than grabbing a mass-produced grocery store ham. The flavor and texture tend to be more robust. Our pros look for semi-boneless because the bone prevents the ham from drying out and adds flavor. Once you've carved the meat, don't toss your leftover bone. Add it to pea soups, throw it into broth or add it to a pot of beans. Remember, it's already cooked. You're only gently reheating it in the oven, so keep the temperature on the low side. Your ham may come with specific instructions for reheating.